Find the solution for the equation square root of 42 minus x equals x. First we will rewrite our equation. We have square root of 42 minus x. This is equal x. Because on the left side we have square root, first we will raise both sides to the second power to reduce this square root. So square root of 42 minus x to second power, this is equal x to second power. Both sides we raise to second power. Square root we reduce with 2 power 2, and now we have 42 minus x, this is equal x squared. Next, I will move x squared to the left side. So positive x squared to the left side, so it will be negative x squared. Next, we will write x. We start from the highest power to the lowest, so it will be negative x. And we have plus 42, constant 42. So this is equal 0. Because we have negative sign before x squared, I will factorize negative 1 from every expression. So I will have negative 1, and in parentheses will be x squared plus x minus 42. This is equal 0. Now, when we multiply both sides by negative 1, negative and negative give me positive, so it will be 1 times this expression in parentheses, so this is x squared plus x minus 42, and this is equal 0 times negative 1 is 0. Now we have to solve quadratic equation. First, we always check if we can factorize. Constant number is negative 4. Coefficient before x is 1. So we will check if we can find two numbers which we multiply, and we will have negative 42. And when we add them, we will have coefficient before x. So 1. It will be 7 and negative 6. 7 times negative 6 is negative 42. And 7 minus 6 is 1. So we can rewrite left side, that this is x plus 7 times x minus 6. This is equal 0. And now on the left side we have product. When this will be 0. When x plus 7 will be 0, or x minus 6 will be 0. So we have to solve two linear equations. I will move positive 7 to the right, so will be x is equal negative 7, or x is equal negative 6 to the right, so will be 6. We got two solutions. Next, we have to always check if they are correct, because we have on the left side square root. So under square root we cannot have negative number, and square root is always positive or 0. So on the left side we can not have negative 7. So let's write this. When x equals negative 7, we will substitute x's to our equation by negative 7. So we have square root of, first let me maybe rewrite this equation. We have 42 minus x is equal x. So when we substitute x's by negative 7, we will have square root of 42 minus negative 7. This is equal negative 7. square root cannot be equal negative number. It's always positive or 0. So what we have square root of 49 is equal negative 7. This is impossible. So x equals negative 7 cannot be our solution. And when x equals 6, we will have, first let me rewrite our equation. We have 42 minus x equals x. So we have square root of 42 minus 6 is equal 6. So we have square root of 42 minus 6, this is 36, is equal 6. Yes, square root of 36 is 6. 6 is equal 6 is true. So our solution for the given equation is only x equals 6.